it's Hannah from WTI. I'm always changing up the style and colors in my house. So I love being able to get items to change up the home decor that are easy and affordable. And that is why I love these throw pillow covers from MIULEE. These orange velvet pillow covers are my absolute favorite. They have been on my couch for a while now, and I tend to find myself trying to style around this exact pillow because I love this color. I love how soft they are. They're beautiful. They are such high quality. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats that love to lay on all of the pillows all over my couch. And these things have stood the test of time. My dogs lay across them, on top of them, no wear and tear on these pillowcases. They look fantastic. They are so easy to change out. These are the 18 by 18 size, and I absolutely love these pillowcases. They come in tons of different colors, so if you're looking for a different vibe in your house, grab a set of these pillowcases because they are so good. You will not be disappointed. I 100% encourage you to get them, but that's just my point of view.